Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to use a simple yet easy tool that allows you to fill up any object with another and watch as it slowly overflows. So what you want to do first is under your Create panel, create an object that you want to fill. I'm just going to create a simple cylinder that is going to be filled up. Once you've made your cylinder, go to your modifiers list and find editable poly. Once edit poly has been selected, under the selection panel, select polygon and the top face of your object, then delete it. Next, what you want to do is under the modifiers list, find shell. This will create a shell so that you have an enclosed surface rather than the mesh surface. So what you want to do next is back in the Create panel, find Tylow and drag it into your viewport. Select Tylow, go to the Modify panel and open the editor. Once the editor is open, right-click, go to Preset Flows and select Simple Icon Flow. As you can see, it has input a very simple event that we can now edit. So what you want to do first is move the position icon so it is above the cylinder because we want it to fill up the cylinder, not fill up outside the cylinder. So once it's in position, you want to go and locate the PhysX shape. Drag it in under shape. This just ensures that when you play your animation, the object is stopping at the bottom of the object and not continuing further. Next, you want to add PhysX collision under shape. Once PhysX collision has been added, you want to go pick your object. So once your cylinder's been selected, because you can see that the objects are falling on top of the cylinder and not going into the object fully, we want to change the hull type to mesh. This is now putting the objects into the cylinder, and if we press play, we can see that it slowly fills. So now what we can do is go and edit the shape of our object. So instead of a square, I think I'm going to go with a circle. So under shape, scroll down to mesh, make sure 3D is checked. I'm going to change to mid-res sphere and press the play on the animation. And as you can see, the spheres are falling and filling up the container, so they look a bit more like bouncy balls. So you can stop here or you can continue if you want. I'll show you a few things that you can do to ensure that you're maybe trying out every avenue. So under size, still in shape, you can change the scale to a higher number. And this will just make your objects bigger. As you can see, I made my objects way too big. So if I delete a 0, and instead they're now 1000. As you can see, the balls will slowly fall into the cylinder and overflow. You can also do this with any shape you want. You can create a shape within 3ds Max and select it at the top of the shape selection panel. You just create a new and add the selected object. Otherwise, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you have fun trying this out yourself. Thanks for watching.